ఇంట్లోకి వచ్చేటట్టు కదా, బయట ఉండాలి కదా.
Are you able to see this? Is it not visible, right? Okay, light should be there anyway. If you remove the light, even that also we can't see. Can you see this now? Probably this is not required, huh? Because you have the papers. I need a blue one. Even the red also is not totally full. Blue, yeah. We need either blue or black. Okay, first of all I'll tell you the sloka, what the Acharya has composed. Just you repeat after me, okay? If you have Stuti Malas, I think you must be knowing in Ashtasloki. Just you tell the sloka. Netrutvam Nitya Yogam Samuchita Gunajatam Tanuk Khyapananja Upayam Kartavya Bhagantu Atha Midhuna Param Prapyamevam Prasiddham Swamitvam Prarthanancha Prabalatara Virodhi Prahanam Dasaitan Mantaram Trayatecha Iti Adhigata Nigamaha Shatpadoyam Dvikhandaha. This is the first sloka. He said, this mantra, the Dwaya Mantra, is called Shatpadam. Isn't that a beautiful name? Shatpadam means a bee. You know a bee? A bee has 6 legs. So it is called Shat Padam. You know? So Dwaya Mantram is also having actually 6 words in this mantra. Like Sriman Narayana Charanau, 1 word. Saranam, other word. Prapadye, 3rd word. Srimate, 4th. Narayanaya, 5th. Namaha, 6th. So 6 words are there in this. In which there are 6 words, it is called Shat Padi. You know? The Chatushpadi means there are 4 words in it. Or even an animal also can be called as Chatushpadi or Chatushpat. We are having only 2 legs, you know. We are supposed to have 2 legs. So we are called as a Dvipat or Dvipadi, in which there are only 2 words or probably 2 sentences. You know, a poetry is called a Dvipadi. That means there are 2 lines. In 2 lines in each of the stanza. That's how they call it. So Shat Padam or Shat Padi means which is having 6 padas in it, 6 words. Padam is a word. 6 words in it is called Shatpadi. Dwaya Mantram is called as Shatpadam. That means it's a bee. What does a bee do? What is the meaning of the what a bee does always? It goes from flower to the flower. Right? It goes to different flowers. And then it helps the flowers. Yes, maybe for pollination. But it collects the honey drops. And thus it gives you a lot of honey. But when it is just moving, it makes a noise. And when it lands on the flower, makes no noise. Because it keeps drinking. So when it lands, no noise. But when it comes up and just moves, and then like that, it makes a kind of noise. That is the activity of a bee. So this Dwaya Mantra also is a bee, which gives us the beautiful noise of the meaning. The noise comes out of it is the meaning, which can be chanted always. And when you are landing on a lotus, what is the lotus? The lotus is the divine feet of the Lord. When you are just landing on the lotus, then you can keep enjoying the divine qualities of the lotus. The honey, the nectar of the lotus. But when you come up and when you are in the world, then you can just keep going round and round. You just speak out of the meaning of that particular mantra, Dwaya Mantra. Because the practice of almost all the acharyas, whoever are our predecessors, they used to think the meaning of this mantra always. Even the great Ramanujacharya, he talks about this Dwaya Mantra and its meaning. This is what you have to think always. Dvayam ardhanusandhanena saha sada evam vakta. In Saranagati Gadya, one of the compositions made by Ramanujacharya out of 9, one is called Saranagati Gadya. In that he talks about you whenever feel like thinking something, think the meaning of the Dwaya Mantra. It gives you a kind of strength, and it helps you in feeling better. So think Ardha Dvayam and its Ardha, its meaning, always. There is a nice stotra, there is a nice eulogy in our stotra Sripati Stutimala called Purva Dinacharya and Uttara Dinacharya, composed by Sri Manavada Mahamuni. So now we know that Manavada Mahamuni is again reborn Ramanuja. That's how our acharyas consider him, because of his knowledge. This Manavada Mahamuni was in Srirangam, and his practice was very, very authentic. Everybody used to follow him. One of his great disciples composed a stotra about that great Manavada Mahamuni, how he used to wake up early in the morning and how he has to attend his routine, how he has to do his anushtana, how he used to dress, and how he used to go after Aradhana, how he used to go to the temple Srirangam. And while going to Srirangam temple, and what and where and how he was doing the things, where he used to do the Sashtangam, and what Sannidhi he used to visit first, what Sannidhi he used to visit next, what other Sannidhi he used to visit, and how he used to do Sashtanga, as if it is a video showing to you about that Varavara Muni, right from his morning anushtana, and how he used to come back to his mutt, and how he used to finish his aradhana, give Sripada Tirtham to all the devotees, and he used to take prasadam, and after that prasadam used to be distributed to everybody, and then how he used to go to his place and sit quiet and just go through his scriptures, and how he used to start his evening anushtana then, and how he used to retire, go to bed, and then how the person who wrote used to think of that Acharya always. Whatever he used to do till afternoon, and it was written in a few slokas, it is called Purva Dinacharya. And what he used to do during the evening hours became Uttara Dinacharya. So there are two stotras in that. In the middle comes Itiraja Vimsati. So now all these were written by the Manavada. Itiraja Vimsati was a Manavada Mahamuni's composition. He used to think of that. So this is how that Acharya writes. Morning he used to do this and chant Itiraja Vimsati. Evening he has to do like this, and this is the way he used to retire. So he composed very beautiful. There he says, Mantra Ratnanusandhana Santata Spuritadharam Tadardha Tattva Nidhyana Sannadha Pulakodgamam. About that Acharya Varavara Muni, he writes a stotra like Mantra Ratnanusandhana